Traders remain interested in the United States dollar. They are pricing in the possibility of a further rise in the key interest rate by the Fed. Notably, in Europe, such a scenario is also possible. However, investors will hardly change their preferences. According to preliminary estimates, in May, the Eurozone inflation slackened to 6.1% from a 7%, and the slowdown turned out to be more significant than an anticipated drop to 6.3%. In this light, future auctions of the European Central Bank are not causing any questions. In other words, the central bank is unlikely to raise the key rate higher. It's expected to take a pause to assess the current situation. Nevertheless, the US dollar did not increase. The fact is that traders priced in such an outcome yesterday after the publication of the inflation figures in France and in Germany. Now, a lot will depend on the United States ADP employment data. According to the forecast, the US economy will add just 200,000 jobs, and this is not enough to maintain stability in the US labor market. The expected report is pointing to a rise in the US unemployment rate, and notably the US Labor Department data is due on Friday. Against that backdrop, the US dollar may slump amid overbought conditions. What do we see on the trading charts ahead of the US trading session? The euro-dollar pair reached the level of 1.0635 because of the initial movement, and this proves once again that the euro is oversold in the short-term periods. However, demand for the greenback is still high. That's why the euro may resume falling if it returns to this cycle's low. Traders are likely to ignore oversold conditions. The longer the initial movement is, the less stable speculators become. It means that the number of short positions may tumble at any moment, thus spurring the price reversal. Meanwhile, changes in the pound-dollar pair are not that sharp. Last week, a decline in the pair slackened, and thus causing stagnation and a rebound. If the price consolidates above 1.25, the pound sterling will start recovering after the downward correction. However, pressure on the euro is capping the pound's growth because of the positive correlation between the currencies. That's why the quote may return to the current low instead of recovering. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.